What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing alright, and today it's time for us to watch some more idiots in cars. This is episode number 116, so yeah, please leave a like and subscribe, that would be much appreciated. It would definitely help the channel a lot. And now, with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, let's get this party started. Oh, dearie me, these autonomous cars are getting out of hand. Or maybe that donut forgot to put it in park. But who cares when you have power? Whoa! And into the ditch he goes. Mustang just being a Mustang. Simple as that. Hey yo, check it out. I'm gonna get a promotion after this. Observe. Yeet! What the heck was that? And his colleagues were like, did you smoke again those trees we confiscated the other day? Oh, dearie me. Looks like I missed all the BMW action, but this one will make it up for it. Whoa, oh, that was actually nice. Come on, power! Oh. Oh, there's no shortage of BMW content, if you know what I mean. But anyways, let's see here. Can I make a friendly suggestion? Stop. Stop right now. No, don't go there. No! Ooh. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Her. He must be out there cheating. Him. Everything for the boys. You gotta help your homie out. That's how it is. On to the next one. Let's see here. Oh, it's always the goddamn Prius. Or maybe this is a Corolla, but the point still stands. It was so unnecessary to crash into that door. Whoa. Dang, that's a lot of goddamn border on the road. Whoa, 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 chill, bro. Oh, it's another BMW, so it's okay. Anyways, moving on. Just another day at the office. And of course, he's gonna run away now. It's like almost all of them went to the same school. To the same BMW school. I don't know what is going on, but they're all driving and crashing in the exact same way. Come on, speed! Oh, that's how you do it. Be a man. Just another proof that speed and power solve many things. Oh, that Jag is going in. Oh, hold it, bro, hold it. Oh, that's not gone well. I hope he's alright. Dearie me. And judging by that guardrail, someone made the same mistake earlier. Sometimes roads can be tricky, so be careful out there. Guys, whoa, whoa. God damn, that was a hard hit. I mean, the landing part was pretty bad. Oh, we've got a little bit of 5-0 action here. Whoa, that's hell of a way to end the pursuit. But it's quite effective, not gonna lie. They see me rolling, they hate and patrolling and trying to catch me right in their day. My music's so loud, my wheels off, but I don't care. That guy is not giving a flying F. I don't know what is going on inside his head, but we'll live into it. Oh, hello there, Porsche. I'm speed, baby. No, come on, dude. Why? Ooh, that's a tight squeeze. That's what she said. Look, I'm not a trucker, but I can see that it's obvious that the truck won't fit under there. At least for me it's obvious. But actually, that brings up an interesting question. Do you guys have the license for the truck? Let me know in the comments. Whoa, whoa, easy, easy. Whoa. Why did you pit maneuver him? That guy is mad. What was that all about? I'm confused, but we have to move on. Oh, would you look at that? That's clever marketing right there. Oh, Jesus. I will send you to Jesus. Moving on. What is going on here? Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop, truck, stop. Either he was distracted or his brakes failed. I don't know what else could be the case here. But that was a big mess. Oh, great. There goes another one. Oh no, 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 no. Oh. I hate these bullying tactics. I mean, I understand truckers, they're in a very large vehicle, but still, sometimes it's too much. They take it too far sometimes. It's not even funny. Oh, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. What the hell is going on with that car? The party must be lit in there. That was amazing. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy, Land Rover. Easy, big guy. You're not that important. You can wait. Oh, hello there. Another BMW just BMWing. These two woke up today and chose violence. Let's see who's gonna win. And booyah! It looks like, oh my god, the innocent guy got taken out. That's not cool, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. You definitely need to know when to pull out. Definitely. In traffic and in some other things, but now we'll focus on traffic. Oh, a parking wars. Let's see who's gonna win. Oh, alright, alright. The pickup truck is a good sport. He'll give him some space. So far, so good. Oh, why, bro? Why? It was going so well for a minute, I thought it's gonna be okay. God damn, son. He was like, we are going big or we are going home. And we are going big. That was, he was lucky, actually. That could have ended up much worse. But let's see here. Looks like someone's decided to take a shortcut. Time is money, right? Well, it's not when you crash and when you're a dingleberry. A complete dingleberry. This kinda gives away a pole position vibe, but let's see what's gonna happen. Or maybe it's a red light jump. We'll see. Whoa! That guy was in a hurry. He was like, come on, gotta move on. Ain't nobody got time for red lights. And look at this genius. Well done, my man. Well done. That's a perfect place to wait for a train to wipe you out. At least go a little bit in reverse, man. What the heck is that? I just hope the other train is not coming from the other direction. This actually proves that people these days are getting their licenses way too easily. Way too easily. I know we all make mistakes, but this is too much. But anyway, let's see here. Oh! A G-Wagon crashes into a baby Mercedes. And apparently, that G-Wagon only has a few scratches and that's it. That's a tough car. But anyways, on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for the support, for every like, for every comment. I really appreciate it. And yeah, what can I say? You're the best audience ever. I love you guys. Please don't forget to power every day. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.